I've been grading your short annotated bibliographies, and I've noticed three patterns of mechanical slash formatting errors that I want to show you about really quickly. One is not everyone has a header, which means your last name and the page number up in this right hand corner. And it's simple. The way to do it is to go to Insert, Page Number, choose Top of Page, choose the third one down that has the page number right justified, and then add your last name in a space. And then you also want it to be in the same font as the rest, which is Times New Roman 12 points. Oops, 12 points. So there's that. And then to get out of it, you just double click down here. Secondly, hanging the indent. A lot of people haven't figured out how to hang their indents. Pretty easy. You just highlight your citation, you right click and choose paragraph, and then here under special you choose hanging, and presto, you got it. Now it looks right. Okay, finally, titles. Here's my spiel. Small titles like article titles, song titles, chapter titles, they get put in quotation marks. Big titles like magazine names, newspaper names, book names, they get italicized. Oops, I guess I want to go up here and do that. So that's the deal. Small titles get put in quotation marks, big titles get italicized.